from Quanty. Let me show you how our AI-powered assistant makes investing smarter and easier. First of all, let's start with a simple question. What's up with Apple stock? Let's wait a couple of seconds for the result, please. Okay, cool. So the outcome we got from Quanty basically consists of two elements. First, there is a special price chart component, which we're gonna kick in a second. And the second part is a cool summary of the historical price data that in the backend Quanty got and is summarized by our AI system as well. So clicking our price component, showing us a full screen view of a price chart of an Apple stock, which basically we can change from a particular time interval, for instance 1 week, 1 day. We can ask several questions as well here. When we close that component, we can see the second part of the outcome from the Quanty, which basically gives us the recent price movements. So cool summary about the historical price of Apple, key observations, broader trends, technical levels, and actionable insights. That's kind of cool, actually. Just by showcasing the historical stock price of Apple, we can also get a little bit further. So, for instance, I can ask maybe about technical analysis. And in particular, I want to ask about RSI. What is the RSI of Apple? Cool. So again, we got a outcome from Quanty. It says the current relative strength index for Apple is that particular number. Key observations as well. Interpretation, neutral to bullish zone, no immediate overbought risk, actionable insight as well. Perfect. The tools that Quanty consists of is quite wide range, has a quite wide range. So asking about technical analysis, that's basically just a small tiny part of it. We can also ask for let's say dividends data, insider transactions. Okay, let's start with dividends data. Now show me dividends data. Perfect. The provided financial analysis data pertains to Apple, a company listed on the Nasdaq exchange, and so on. We've got, for instance, recently declared a dividend of a price per share, ex-dividend day, dividend amount, currency, exchange, and key insights. That's kind of cool. I can also ask about what's the latest news regarding that stock. Yes, please. Okay, perfect. So now we've got as an outcome, well, the summary of latest news regarding Apple stock, which consists of some components. First of all is the sources, which sources our AI has scraped. Answer, like the natural language answer regarding the question. Also key highlights and summary. Of course, we can see all of the sources of our question. At the very end, last but not least, I can ask our AI system to generate a special report regarding this Apple stock. So I'm going to say, please generate for me a report regarding that stock. Okay. 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 Last but not least, I would like to show you that Quanty is perfect. Great. Last but not least, I would like you to show. God damn it. Okay. Perfect. Last but not least, I would like you to show. Perfect. Now, I would like to show you a special kind of like a tool that Quanty provides to you as a user. We can ask Quanty to provide a special report regarding particular asset. So I'm going to use this button to create a special prompt for me to create a report for Apple stock. Perfect. Now what we see is Quanty generating in the special interface prepared just for reporting um, the whole document regarding the Apple stock. And this particular document consists of like executive summary, key performance indicators (KPIs), revenue breakdown and insights. For instance, iPhone sales, services division, and so on. Strategic initiatives, fundamental analysis, like the most basic one, valuation metrics, profitability, liquidity and solvency, dividend and share buybacks, SWOT analysis, investments recommendation, and conclusion. And the main part of this whole component is to be as much manipulative as you want it to be. So, for instance, you can ask, can you please add 10Q report analysis as well? Perfect. And now what is going on is system regenerating the whole document and adding the thing we asked it for. So yeah, perfect. No more guesswork, just data-driven investing. Try Quanty today.